I've got the slab bar in place, and the bar on this end is about 14 3/4 inches to there, and it's about the same from this up to here. Note with the straight edge there's about a 1/4 inch or a little bit more deflection in the blade due to the weight, and you make sure that it's the same height here as it is here. Everything's level. So it doesn't show as level because the entire track, everything is off by about that much. So that's the reference point, and when you put this on here, when you put that on there, it's the same. So that's about lined up. I can take this away. And next step, we're going to put the chain on, and then we need the attach the oiler. Tube goes right in there, because the next page in the booklet, after we add the chain, is adding the oiler. Okay, chain's next. Should be fun. So the blade, if you remember, rotates this way, clockwise, looking down onto the ground. So the chain's going to be pulling in this direction on this side of the blade. So what I did, I slung it up there just to get it started. It's tight fit because it's a new chain and new bar. So if we can get this end in, might even have to like clamp it in place or tie it or something to. So we can get this end here done. Now, tighten up. I think we have to move this bar. These two nuts have to go in that direction. So I'm just opting to move the slack over here just so I can make sure I'm going in the right direction, but I don't think I am. Something's not right here. Gotta loosen everything up. Let's see what I'm doing wrong here. Alright, I'll back that one way off. Alright, so okay, so I think adjusting this doesn't tighten the chain. I'm learning. All this does is it snugs the bar tight. So you need to get the entire bar to move this direction. So how do we do that? So this piece, alright, so there we go. I think we might be onto something here. So this top plate, here has slots to allow the bar to go in this direction. And there's slots in the top plate here, so this is the adjustment for the chain. I'm guessing a max. So if we max that out, and maybe tighten this to push this further, that'll make it chain snug. So we'll try that.